Click on the link below to get price. The DJI Mini 5 Pro Fly More combo with DJI RC2 controller is an impressive package that elevates the experience for both amateur and professional drone enthusiasts. Right out of the box, the build quality is evident. The Mini 5 Pro is surprisingly lightweight, making it easy to transport without sacrificing durability. The design is sleek and compact, which is perfect for those looking to capture stunning aerial footage on the go. One of the standout features of the Mini 5 Pro is its camera capabilities. The 1/1 3-inch sensor delivers crisp 48MP stills and 4K video at 60 frames per second, providing exceptional image quality. The low-light performance is particularly noteworthy, allowing for stunning shots even during twilight hours. The inclusion of advanced imaging features, such as HDR in various shooting modes, enhances creativity. Additionally, the drone boasts a 10 km transmission range, ensuring you can explore vast landscapes without losing connection. The DJI RC2 controller significantly enhances the flying experience. With its built-in display, pilots can view real-time footage without needing to connect a smartphone, streamlining operation and reducing setup time. The controls are intuitive, making it easy for beginners to pick up quickly while still catering to more experienced users with customizable settings. Battery life is another highlight. With the Fly More combo, you receive multiple batteries, extending your flight time significantly. Each battery offers around 34 minutes of flight time under optimal conditions, allowing for extended shooting sessions. The additional accessories, such as propeller guards and a carrying case, provide added value and ensure the drone remains safe during transport. Overall, the DJI Mini 5 Pro Fly More combo with DJI RC2 controller is a top-tier drone that excels in performance, quality, and user-friendliness. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or filming dynamic activities, this drone is a versatile tool that delivers impressive results, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone serious about aerial photography or videography.